IT and Electronics Minister Vaishnaw said Micron Technology's $2.75 billion semiconductor facility in Sanand, Gujarat is expected to begin commercial production by the end of February. Speaking to ET on the sidelines of World Economic Forum in Davos, Vaishnaw said the pilot production is already underway at the 4 semiconductor plants, with one now ready to shift to full commercial operation in the third week of February. He added that the country's approach has been focused on problem solving. We are very cognizant of the difficulty involved in semiconductor manufacturing. That's why we are keeping our heads down and solving every problem as it comes. The industry is very satisfied with our problem-solving approach, Vaishnaw said. According to the minister, global semiconductor firms are increasingly viewing India as a destination not only for design but also for advanced manufacturing. He said that the industry leaders at the Davos roundtable highlighted that the most complex chips are now being developed in India, including 2-nanometer nodes. As the manufacturing capability is increasing, companies may also manufacture those chips in the country. The report, News Now.